Assalamu alaikum. Today we will clear the concept of every and any method in Dart. Okay, if I write here every and any method in Dart. Okay, so now I just want to show you that how these methods are working. Okay, so first of all, I just write here and take a list of integers. Okay, integers. Okay, integers. Okay, now I store a values of 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so if I write here integers dot in, okay, here you can see this any method returns bool. Okay, and it take a function bool. Okay, bool function. Here you can see it returns bool, and here you can see it take a function, and this function take a parameter integer. Okay, so if I write here a function, arrow function or anonymous function. Okay, if I write here e, and then I want to show you that this function checks here. Okay, if I write here e, if this e equal to 3. Okay, so here now I just want to store that. Okay, bool value. Okay, so here now what this method working. Okay, here you can see this function will working on every element inside these integers. Okay, this function will be working on every element that inside that holds these integer variables. Okay, and this condition matches if this e this e element here, these elements, single element is equal to 3, that returns true. Okay, if nothing here, it returns false. Okay, if I write here front value. Okay, so now I want to show you here here you can see true because one single element is equal to 3. Okay, if I write here, if I write here um 9, okay, it returns false. Okay, that this element is not included or not available in this list. Okay, this is any. Okay, this any is returns a bool if one a single, if a one or single element uh is equal to this 9. Okay, so this any returns true if any element matches a condition. Okay, so now I want to show you every. Okay, so this every, here you can see this also returns a bool, and it take a function and returns bool, and this function take a parameter integer. Okay, so here the difference between this any and every, here this every is returns a bool, and this function works on every element that inside holds these integers. Okay, if these all elements are equal to 9, this every elements returns true. If there the single elements is not equal to 9, so this returns false. Okay, if I write here 3. Okay, so now you can see here this 3 is included in this list, but here you can see it returns false. It returns false because these all every elements are not equal to 3. Okay, it only one element is equal to this 3. Okay, so if I write here and I remove these all values and I just write 3. Okay, so here now you can see every element is equal to 3. So now it returns true because every element is equal to 3. Okay, so here you write what you want is you wish what you want to uh, write a condition. Okay, so this every this every returns true if all element match a condition. Okay, so this any is only a single element that matches a condition, it returns true, and this every works that all element matches a condition. Okay, so this is very useful concepts. Okay, so I hope this concept will clear you, uh, and and now I think it's enough, and see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.